And now I will tell you how we are getting the fruits of the plant from the flowers. These vegetables are also fruits. Why? Can you tell me? Yes. Wherever in the plant of the part the seeds are present, that is called a fruit of the plant. Like this bean has the small seeds. This is called a black-eyed bean, or we can say black-eyed pea. This is called a black-eyed pea because it has a small black color spot is there. That's why it is also called, and in Hindi we can say that is lobia, and it has many seeds are there. And like this beans also, these are called the broad beans. They are also having so many seeds, and they are also called the fresh beans or faba beans. See, many seeds are there. And like this, in mango, you know already the one seed is there. And ladyfinger is also having so many seeds if we will cut over here the transfer section. So that means in some fruits of the plants, they are having so many seeds, and some fruits have the one or more than one also. So like this, now tell me how we are getting. I was asking from you that how we are getting from the flowers these fruits of the plant and seeds. Yes, there are the two processes, pollination and fertilization, due to which we are getting the fruits from the flowers. First, pollination. What is pollination? When these stamens यानी कि male part is transferred to the female part यानी कि stigma, on the stigma, that process is called a pollination. And how it is done? Due to the blowing wind and falling water, or whenever the insects sit on the flower, then they in their legs they stick, and then it will transfer over here. So this process is called pollination, and the agent of this process are insects, wind and water. Now the next process is there. After when they are reaching, then what will happen? Then these pollen grains from the stigma through style, they will reach. I'll show you that where they will reach. They will reach in the ovary and join together the ovule and these pollen grains. And the joining of the pollen grains and ovule is called the process fertilization. And when they join together, then they grow, the ovules grow and change into seeds. They change into seeds, and these the ovary of the flower change into fruits, यानी कि grow into fruit. And rest part of the flower like petals and sepals, these will be dry up and fall off from the plant. So in that way we get the fruits and seeds of the plant. Now all the seeds, what they give? They give the same type of the plant. How? Whenever they get the favorable condition like water, sunlight, soil and the weather condition, whenever they get proper according to them, then they will get the same plant of that fruit or the vegetable. So that means we are getting the fruits and vegetables from the flower. I want to show you another plants or other flowers also, how they are arranging and what are these and what type of these. See, this is sepal, this is petal, and what is it inside it? See, yellow color stamens are there. Can you see? And over here in between, in the center of the flower, what is? Stigmas are, you can see over here, and many stigmas are there. Can you see? And that means the pistil in between, inside it, and the this is the male part and this is the female part, and these are the petals. Like this in other flowers also you can see, this is sepal, petal, and see, look over very nicely and clearly you can understand about it, about the male and female parts. What is it? Male part, that is stamen, and it is female part, pistil inside it. And if you will see, you will take out this, then they see, look very easily we can see this whole thing of the female part. Clear? So this is a female part, that is pistil of this flower. Ovary part, stigma, and this is a style. And in other flowers also I can show you in between over here. This is the outside sepals. देखो इसमें joined है और इसमें भी joined थे, but in rose they are separate, and here these are the petals, and over here the small female part and the outside ring like structure, they are ringing, then you can, they are hiding the pistil, and outside these are the male part, that is stamen. Clear? So in this way you can learn yourself these parts of the plant, and you can search out the smell and different colors, and you can learn the functions of these also. What are the function of these? By separating one by one the all parts you can separate of the flowers, and you can search out. And I can show you over here some, देखो liquid is also coming out, that means it is a nectar of the flower, यानी कि sweet liquid is also, fluid is also present in the flowers, which insect suck and they take their food as a nectar from there. Now last thing is there, very important thing is there, there are the two type of flowers. One is unisexual and another is bisexual. Unisexual means male and female part of the flower will be separately in the same plant of the flowers. Like the male part will be in the separate flower of the plant, and the female part of the in the separate part of the plant. Part means flower of the plant. And now the example of these are here. I am not having those flowers, unisexual flowers like that cucumber, mulberry, and bitter gourd, pumpkin. These and many other are also there which have the unisexual flower. And now the bisexual flowers like China rose, rose, and sunflower, and many other I showed you also, and others also, in which the female part and the male part both are in the same flower of the plant. So these are called the bisexual, and the another in which the separate male and female in the separate flowers of the plant, then they are called the unisexual. Now it's okay.